Alright, what's up guys? So today I'm going to show you how you can either clean or unclog your ears. Now to start off, don't use Q-tips because Q-tips are like Satan. They are just as good as you eating ice cream with spinach, which is just... Alright, now that I got that in your head, you're going to want to get these eardrops called Debrox. So what I'm going to do is take my hand, quickly snap it, and here they are. Now, they're only like $5, so they're quite cheap. Now, after obtaining this guy, you're gonna want to get yourself a baby syringe. So what it looks like is this. Now here it looks like. This is what it looks like. Now, it's a small little thing, but that does the trick. And it's literally like $4, so keep it on ya. So now what you're gonna want to do next is take the Debrox. And with this, you're gonna want to drill about 4 to 5 drops like in your ear. So just quickly put about 4 to 5 in. Alright, now what you're going to want to do is you're going to want to keep your head on the side, or you're going to want to lay down, because that'll be like the best way. And you're going to start to hear like it sizzling, like pop rocks. So just give it like 5 minutes, and then you'll be all set. Alright, now that you waited for about 5 minutes, now you're going to take your syringe. But this won't work unless you got water in it, because you're going to want to put water in your ear. So first, you're going to want to get a cup of water, preferably lukewarm, so I'm going to go ahead and do that. So let's go ahead and... Alright, there you have it. The cup of water is right here. We just put it on the ground for now. We'll be using that in just a second. Now, as you can see right here, you're going to take the ear syringe, but of course, you're going to want to take the cap off, because how you're going to squirt water if you don't got a cap, so you can just yoink that out of the way. So you want to take this, go ahead and squeeze it, press it into the water, get some water out. So you're squirting out now. Now you're going to want to press it up against your ear. Now once you got it right against your ear, you're going to want to press lightly against it. But you should probably be doing this over a sink or like a bath, because it is obviously dripping all over my countertop. But what the earwax did, like the earwax drops, it softened the earwax so that it will be a lot easier for the water to press it out. So push the water out at your own pace, and then once you think you've got enough earwax out, you can take out the syringe. What we're going to want to do now is get the water to escape your ear, like the rest of the water. So you can just bang your head lightly, and you'll start to feel some stuff coming out. And if I just... Oh, some coins came out. I got a quarter. So I still feel something in my ear, so I just keep banging it. Oh, what was that? Looks like a drumstick came out of my ear. Oh, it's signed too by Solerna. Oh, we'll keep that. Alright, so there's a little bit left. Oh my god, what was that? A freaking zucchini came out of my ear. Imagine that. See this? I don't think there's anything else, but you always gotta double check just to make sure. Oh, jeez. Oh, look at that. Debrox came out of my ear. You can definitely use that later. So, that's how you can unclog your ears. It's as easy as that. Just go ahead and just take some eardrops, the Debrox. Make sure to get an ear syringe and just some water, and you'll be good to go. So make sure to go like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you guys later. Peace.